girls, welcome to Girl on Guitar. We love Wednesdays, you know why. It's Wish Wednesday, you wish for songs, I bring them up here for you this specific day, and it's the favorite day here on Girl on Guitar. So this time we have you, Jonathan, you wished for Nothing Nowhere's The Heart Mechanic. Alright, so we're gonna take a look at this together. Thank you, Jonathan, for being here on Girl on Guitar. Hope you will enjoy it, and all you Nothing Nowhere fans out there. If there are any out there who is watching right now and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let's move forward together. Now, let's go into the song with the capo set on the 3rd fret. That's the best setup for us, and we have 4 different chords to handle. So let's go into the actual chords needed for the song. We're gonna start with A minor, and A minor goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is G. That will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have F as well. That's a bar chord where you place your index finger on the 1st fret and you push down all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is C. C goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so we're gonna start from the beginning. We're gonna look at that verse play, and you have these notes to get, like this. It's based upon A minor, G, and F, okay? So, a little bit different grip now for A minor. You're gonna stretch out a little bit. You're gonna use your little pinky, that's what I do. Place it on the 5th fret E string. Then I use my mid finger to place it on the 3rd fret A, and my index on the 2nd fret D, okay? Looks like this. So what you're gonna do here is to play simply 5th E, 3rd A, and 2nd D for 2 times. Okay, next grip will be based upon the G. So what I do here, I keep my index finger there, but the other 2 fingers, I recuperate to this position, all right? So I put my mid finger on the 3rd fret E string and my ring finger just beneath there on the 3rd fret A, and still my index on the 2nd D. And that will be played like this. 3rd on E, 3rd on A, and 2nd on D. For 2 times. And then I go to the F grip. And what I focus on now is to keep my ring finger on the 3rd fret A string with my ring finger. I keep it there, and then I take the other 2 fingers and recuperate to this. Okay, so that is to place the index finger on the 1st fret E string and my mid finger on the 2nd fret D. That pattern for 4 times now, so that will be 1st E, 3rd A, and 2nd D. So 4 times of that. And you played 1 round. So that means you're gonna play the A minor, 2 picking rounds, the G, 2 picking rounds, and the F, 4 picking rounds. So you're gonna play that chord progression or picking rounds for 3 times here in the verse. So a couple rounds goes like this. Again. Okay, that was 2 rounds. You played for 3 rounds, and now into the chorus. Now is where we're gonna use the strumming. So if you grab the 1st chord, the A minor, 1 string around will be down, down, up, down, up. So like this. So down, a short pause, and then down, up, down, up. That's how it sounds for a couple of rounds. So slowly, one round. Okay, so that is how you're gonna handle the strumming. Now into the chorus, and the first half of it will be A minor, 2 string rounds, G, 2 string rounds. Then when you come to F, you're gonna play 3 string rounds. Then you're gonna add down, down, up. So almost 4 string rounds on F. You're gonna play 3, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, then down, down, up. And then you're gonna go out to the G note out here. You don't have to grab the full chord. You don't have that much of time. You're just gonna hit 1 down on it. So what you're gonna do here from F is to just take 1 finger and place it on the 3rd fret E string and play 1 down on that string. Okay, it works as a bridge note. Okay, so that is the first half. So slowly, A minor 2, G2, F3 plus down, down, up, and reach out to the 3rd fret E string with a G note and hit 1 down on it like this. Okay. And then the second half will be to play simply A minor, 2 string rounds, then C, 2 string rounds, and F, 4 string rounds, like this. Okay, and that is the end of the chorus. You're gonna play only that 1 chord progression round. So A minor 2, G2, F3 plus down, down, up, and then over to the G note, 1 down, and then A minor 2, C2, and F4. Okay, then after that chorus, you're gonna go back and play the verse play again in exact same way, 3 rounds, exactly in the same way as the first verse. And after that second verse, you're gonna go back to play the chorus, the second one, played in the exact same way, but it's twice as long now. You're gonna play everything for 2 rounds. After that second chorus, you're gonna come into the bridge part. We are now about 1 minute and 45 seconds into the song. Now you're gonna play that bridge with strumming. What you're gonna do here is to play 4 string rounds on F, 2 on G, then 1 on C, and then back to G1. That is 1 chord progression round. Okay, so you're gonna play F4, G2, C1, G1. You're gonna play that chord progression for 6 rounds. So let's go for a couple of rounds on that bridge. F4, G2, C1, G1, like this. Again. Time. F4, G2, C1, G1, and like that. I play half of that bridge part for 3 rounds, so you're gonna play for 6 rounds in total. After that bridge part, we're gonna go back into the final parts of the song. That is basically to play the final chorus slash outro parts, and that is to play the chorus play for another 2 rounds. You just repeat the second chorus, play for 2 rounds, and that wraps it up for Nothing Nowhere's The Heart Mechanic. All right, so I hope you enjoyed it. Jonathan, you wish for it, and all the Nothing Nowhere fans out there, I hope you enjoyed it as well. So I put a lot of work into this, guys, so I appreciate if you can get something back from it. So subscribe to this channel, the most important thing, like this tutorial, and continue to wish here for future Wednesdays. All right, guys, thank you so much so far, and see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.